Want to escape Dubai without a long flight? Getting your Oman eVisa from the UAE is honestly the easiest part, and I'll show you how. Think Muscat weekends, mountain air Jebel Akhdar, and floating in a wadi while time just stops. Oman is the perfect break, and the good news, your visa is super easy to sort out using Atlys. Watch till the end for tips, tricks, and must-do spots. Getting your Oman eVisa with Atlys. Open the Atlys app or website and select Oman. Choose your nationality from the top right corner. Upload your passport photo, upload the front page of your passport. Review everything. Names and passport numbers need to match everything exactly. Depending on your nationality, you may be required to provide additional documents. Atlys will tell you once you choose your nationality on the website or app. For example, if you are of Pakistani nationality, you need to provide your Emirates ID. Tap Submit, and you're done. That's it. You can find your visa status under My Profile in the app dashboard, so no waiting. Now some travel tips and hacks. Apply at least 3 days before you trip. You don't want to risk any last-minute stress. Every traveler needs their own visa, including kids. Once you submit, you can't change key details like name, date of birth, or passport number. Carry OMR cash, especially outside of Muscat. If you're driving, make sure your car insurance covers Oman. Make sure you download offline maps. The mountains are gorgeous, but the mobile signals, not as much. Some things to do in Oman. Once you land, here are some things you shouldn't miss. In Muscat, stroll the Mutra Corniche, shop in the souk, and visit the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque. In Jebel Akhdar, you have cooler mountain weather, amazing views, and terrace farms. In Wadi Shab, you can have a perfect hike, swim in pools, and have an amazing day. In Wahiba Sands, we have desert camping, dune bashing, and stargazing that you definitely won't forget. In Salalah, visit Kharif, and you'll see Oman turn lush and green like a dream. So there you go. Your Oman eVisa is just a few taps away on Atlys. No paperwork, no stress, just pure smooth sailing. Get your visa sorted now and focus on what matters. Mountains, sunsets, wadis, and a sweet Omani road trip vibe.